Welcome back to FixPro Garage. Today we're tackling a problem that can turn any drive into a nightmare, your car shaking at highway speeds. That vibration isn't just annoying, it's a warning sign you can't ignore. Shaking can come from tires, brakes, suspension, or even the engine. The key is figuring out where the shake is coming from, steering wheel, seat, or only when braking. In this video, I'll break down the most common causes, how to spot them, and what to fix first. We'll start with the easiest, cheapest solutions and work up to the more serious stuff. Let's dive in and get your car running smooth and safe again. The most common reason your car shakes at highway speeds? Tires. If you notice vibration as you accelerate, check your tires first. They're the only part of your car that touches the road, so any issue here gets worse the faster you go. Unbalanced or damaged tires are a top culprit. Even a small imbalance can cause vibrations that get more intense at higher speeds. Internal defects or sidewall bubbles can also make your car shake. If the steering wheel shakes, focus on the front tires. If you feel it in your seat, check the rear. This helps pinpoint the problem area. Look for bulges, uneven tread wear, or cupping. These mean you need a tire shop right away. Ignoring these signs can lead to dangerous blowouts. Even if tires look fine, they might be out of balance. Get all four balanced by a professional. Balancing uses small weights to ensure even rotation and eliminate most vibrations. Ask the shop to check for runout. An out-of-round tire or flat spot can't be fixed by balancing and needs replacement. Don't forget tire pressure. Under or overinflation causes uneven wear and future vibrations. Check pressure monthly and before long trips. Replace any tire with visible defects. Driving on compromised tires is unsafe. A professional inspection can catch issues you might miss. For most drivers, fixing tire issues solves the problem. Once your tires are in good shape and balanced, you'll enjoy a smoother, quieter ride. If not, let's move on to the next possible cause. End of scene. If balancing your tires didn't fix the shake, there could be a deeper issue causing the vibration. Sometimes, even after a perfect balance, your car may still feel unstable or wobbly at certain speeds. This is a sign that you should look beyond just the tires themselves. Take a close look at your wheels for any signs of bends, dents, or other visible damage. Even a small imperfection can throw off the smooth rotation of your wheel and lead to persistent shaking. Impacts from potholes, curbs, or road debris can easily bend a wheel. Even a minor bend, which might not be obvious at first glance, can cause major vibrations when you're driving at highway speeds. Sometimes, the bend is so subtle that you won't see it just by looking. That's why tire shops use balancing machines. They can detect even the slightest wobble or out-of-round condition that's invisible to the naked eye. If you want to check at home, safely jack up your car, spin the wheel by hand, and use a fixed reference point, like a pencil or screwdriver held close to the rim, to spot any side-to-side movement or wobbles. This simple test can help you catch issues early. Minor bends in steel wheels can sometimes be repaired by a professional using specialized equipment, restoring the wheel's shape and balance. However, if the wheel has a severe bend, a crack, or if it's an alloy rim with structural damage, it's much safer to replace it entirely. Alloy wheels, in particular, are more prone to cracking and can't always be safely repaired. Never drive on a cracked wheel under any circumstances. Cracks can grow quickly and may cause sudden failure, putting you and others at serious risk. If you're considering a used replacement wheel, buy only from a reputable source. Always have the wheel thoroughly inspected and professionally balanced before installation to ensure it's safe and true. If you suspect a bent rim or any wheel damage, don't wait. Get it checked by a professional right away. Prompt attention can prevent further damage to your car and keep you safe on the road. Don't ignore these warning signs. Your safety, and the safety of everyone on the road, depends on making sure your wheels are in good condition. End of scene. Still feeling that annoying shake in your steering wheel, even after checking your tires and wheels? It's time to take a closer look at your suspension and steering system. These parts are crucial for a smooth, controlled ride, but over time, they can wear out. Worn ball joints, tie rod ends, or cracked control arm bushings are common culprits. When these components deteriorate, they can cause vibrations, clunking noises, and even affect your car's alignment. You might also notice your steering feels loose, or imprecise, or see uneven tire wear, especially along the inner or outer edges. These are classic signs that something's wrong underneath. To check for worn suspension parts, safely jack up your car or use a lift if you have access to 1. With the wheel off the ground, grab it at the 12 and 6 o'clock positions and try to wiggle it. Excessive movement here often points to worn ball joints or wheel bearings. Next, grab the wheel at 3 and 9 o'clock. If you feel play, your tie rods could be worn out, which can seriously affect steering response. Any noticeable play or looseness means a component is worn and should be replaced as soon as possible to avoid further damage or unsafe driving. Don't forget to inspect your control arm bushings. Look for cracks, splits, or excessive movement using a pry bar. These rubber parts are vital for absorbing road shocks. If you find any worn or damaged parts, replace them right away. Suspension components can't be repaired, only replaced. After making repairs, always get a professional wheel alignment. This step is essential to ensure your tires wear evenly and your car handles as it should. Proper alignment prevents rapid tire wear, improves safety, and restores that smooth, confident feel behind the wheel. Skipping this step can undo all your hard work, leading to more problems down the road and wasted money on new tires. Remember, suspension issues can easily mimic tire problems, so don't overlook them during your diagnosis. Addressing these issues early keeps your car safe and comfortable. Fix your suspension and you're one step closer to a shake-free, enjoyable ride every time you hit the road. End of scene. If your car only shakes when you hit the brakes, suspect warped rotors. The real issue is uneven rotor thickness, causing the brake pads to grab unevenly and send a pulse through the pedal and steering wheel. You'll feel it most during hard braking from highway speeds. The fix. Resurface the rotors if they're thick enough, or replace them if they're thin or grooved. Always replace brake pads with new rotors to prevent the problem from coming back. Don't ignore brake shakes. They affect your stopping power and safety. End of scene. If you've checked tires, wheels, suspension, and brakes but the shake remains, look at the engine and drivetrain. Engine misfires from bad spark plugs, coils, or injectors can cause vibrations, usually with a check engine light. Bad engine or transmission mounts let the engine move too much, sending shakes through the car, especially during acceleration or shifting. On front-wheel drive cars, worn CV axles cause vibration during acceleration. On rear-wheel or AWD, a bent or unbalanced drive shaft or bad U-joints can shake the whole car. Diagnose misfires with a scan tool, check mounts for excessive movement, and inspect axles and drive shafts for play or damage. These repairs can be complex. Don't hesitate to see a pro if you're unsure. End of scene. Here's your quick checklist. Let's make diagnosing car shakes simple and fast. Violent or sudden shaking. Stop driving and get towed. Safety first, always. Shakes at all speeds. Check for damaged tires or a bent wheel right away. Shakes only at high speeds. Suspect tire balance or a slightly bent rim. Shakes only when braking. Most likely it's warped rotors. Shakes during acceleration. Check CV axles or engine and transmission mounts. Follow these steps and you'll fix most shaking issues quickly and confidently. Subscribe to FixPro Garage for more honest car repair tips. See you next time.